Welcome to Learning English with Jennifer and Levent. I'm Jennifer.
And I'm Levent. So glad you joined us.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English with Jennifer and Levent.
Hello, Jennifer. Hello, listener.
How are you today, Levent?
I'm very good, thank you. How are you?
I'm good too, thank you. And how are you, listener? Say it with me. I'm good, thank you.
Great job, listener.
Today, we will learn about home, rooms, furniture, directions, and simple questions.
That's a lot of things.
Yes, but don't worry. We will go slowly.
Okay, let's start.
Let's start with rooms in a house. Listen and repeat. Kitchen,
Kitchen,
living room,
living room,
bedroom,
bedroom,
bathroom,
bathroom,
dining room,
dining room,
garden,
garden,
balcony.
balcony.
Very good. Now let's make small sentences. I cook in the kitchen.
I cook in the kitchen.
I sleep in the bedroom.
I sleep in the bedroom.
I watch TV in the living room.
I watch TV in the living room.
I take a shower in the bathroom.
I take a shower in the bathroom.
I eat in the dining room.
I eat in the dining room.
I sit on the balcony.
I sit on the balcony.
Wonderful. Now I'll ask you some questions, Levent. Where do you cook?
I cook in the kitchen.
Where do you sleep?
I sleep in the bedroom.
Where do you watch TV?
I watch TV in the living room.
Where do you take a shower?
I take a shower in the bathroom.
Where do you eat?
I eat in the dining room.
What do you do on the balcony?
I sit on the balcony.
Listener, now you say it. Where do you cook? Where do you sleep? Where do you watch TV? Where do you take a shower? Where do you eat? What do you do on the balcony?
I sit on the balcony. Sorry, I'm not the listener.
Well, great job, everyone. Now let's learn about furniture, the things in your house. Listen and repeat. Table,
Table,
chair,
chair,
bed,
bed,
sofa,
sofa,
lamp,
lamp,
TV,
TV,
refrigerator,
refrigerator,
window,
window,
door,
door,
rug.
rug.
Excellent. Now let's make short sentences. The table is in the dining room.
The table is in the dining room.
The bed is in the bedroom.
The bed is in the bedroom.
The sofa is in the living room.
The sofa is in the living room.
The refrigerator is in the kitchen.
The refrigerator is in the kitchen.
Perfect. Now let's practice with there is and there are. There is a bed in my room.
There is a bed in my room.
There are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
There are 2 chairs in the kitchen.
There is a table in the dining room.
There is a table in the dining room.
There are locks on the doors.
There are locks on the doors.
There is a sofa in the living room.
There is a sofa in the living room.
There are rugs on the floor.
There are rugs on the floor.
Great job. Now let's learn how to ask for directions.
Oh, that's very useful.
Listen and repeat. Left,
Left,
right,
right,
straight,
straight,
near,
near,
far.
far.
Excellent. Now let's make some examples. Turn left,
Turn left,
turn right,
turn right,
go straight.
go straight.
The park is near my house.
The park is near my house.
The hospital is far from here.
The hospital is far from here.
Nice work. Let's make a small conversation. Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight and turn right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Great. Listener, now you try. Say, go straight, turn left. Good job. Let's talk about family now.
Oh, family words.
Listen and repeat. Father,
Father,
mother,
mother,
brother,
brother,
sister,
sister,
son,
son,
daughter,
daughter,
grandmother,
grandmother,
grandfather.
grandfather.
Very good. Let's make short sentences. My father is at home.
My father is at home.
My mother is in the kitchen.
My mother is in the kitchen.
My sister is at school.
My sister is at school.
My grandmother is in the garden.
My grandmother is in the garden.
Wonderful. Listener, now you say it. My father is at home. My mother is in the kitchen. My sister is at school. My grandmother is in the garden. Say, my family is nice. Beautiful. Now let's practice simple questions.
Okay, I like questions.
Listen and repeat. What is this?
What is this?
It's a table.
It's a table.
Where is the kitchen?
Where is the kitchen?
The kitchen is next to the living room.
The kitchen is next to the living room.
Who is he?
Who is he?
He is my brother.
He is my brother.
Who is she?
Who is she?
She is my sister.
She is my sister.
Excellent. Now some yes-no questions. Is this your house?
Yes, it is.
Is that your car?
No, it isn't.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am.
Are you tired?
No, I'm not.
Very nice. Listener, your turn. Levent, can you help? What is this?
It's a table.
Where is the kitchen?
The kitchen is next to the living room.
Who is he?
He is my brother.
Who is she?
She is my sister.
Is this your house?
Is that your car?
Are you a student?
Are you tired?
Are you happy today? That's great. Now let's talk about food in the kitchen.
Yummy.
Listen and repeat. Bread,
Bread,
milk,
milk,
rice,
rice,
egg,
egg,
apple,
apple,
banana,
banana,
coffee,
coffee,
tea,
tea,
water.
water.
Great. Let's make small sentences. I drink coffee in the morning.
I drink coffee in the morning.
I eat rice for lunch.
I eat rice for lunch.
I drink tea in the evening.
I drink tea in the evening.
I like apples.
I like apples.
Good. Listener, your turn. I drink coffee in the morning. I eat rice for lunch. I drink tea in the evening. I like apples. Listener, what do you like to eat? That sounds delicious. Let's talk about things we do at home.
Okay.
Listen and repeat. I wake up.
I wake up.
I brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth.
I eat breakfast.
I eat breakfast.
I clean the house.
I clean the house.
I watch TV.
I watch TV.
I read a book.
I read a book.
I go to bed.
I go to bed.
Excellent. Now a small conversation. What do you do in the morning?
I wake up and eat breakfast.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV and go to bed.
Good work. Listener, now you answer. What do you do in the morning? What do you do in the evening?
Nice.
Let's learn some cleaning words.
Okay.
Listen and repeat. Sweep,
Sweep.
wash,
Wash.
cook,
Cook.
clean,
Clean.
iron,
Iron.
laundry,
Laundry.
vacuum.
Vacuum.
Let's make short sentences. I sweep the floor.
I sweep the floor.
I wash the dishes.
I wash the dishes.
I cook dinner.
I cook dinner.
I clean my room.
I clean my room.
I iron my clothes.
I iron my clothes.
I do laundry. I wash my clothes.
I do laundry. I wash my clothes.
I vacuum the rug.
I vacuum the rug.
Great. Listener, now say them. Levent, can you start us off?
I sweep the floor.
I wash the dishes.
I cook dinner.
I clean my room.
I iron my clothes.
I do laundry. I wash my clothes.
I vacuum the rug.
I clean my house. Perfect. Let's practice directions again.
Okay.
Excuse me, where is the bus station?
Go straight, then turn left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Where is the park?
It's near the school.
And where is the bank?
It's next to the post office.
Wonderful. Listener, now you ask, where is the... Where is the bus station? Where is the park? Where is the school? Where is the bank? Where is the post office? Where is the police station? Where is the restaurant?
Yes, the restaurant. I'm hungry.
Very good. Okay, let's review everything we learned today.
Review time.
Rooms: kitchen, bedroom, living room, bathroom, dining room, garden, balcony.
Yes.
Furniture: table, chair, bed, sofa, lamp, refrigerator, window, door.
Got it.
Directions: left, right, straight, near, far.
I remember.
Family: father, mother, brother, sister, grandmother, grandfather.
Easy.
Daily actions: wake up, eat, clean, cook, sleep.
I can say them all.
Wonderful! Let's do a small quiz. Where do you sleep?
In the bedroom.
Where do you cook?
In the kitchen.
Who is your mother's mother?
My grandmother.
Which way do you turn to go to the store?
Turn right.
What do you do in the evening?
I watch TV.
Excellent, Levent.
Thank you, Jennifer.
You did great today, Levent.
Thank you, Jennifer.
And our listener, you did great too. Remember, listen, repeat, and practice every day.
Yes, practice every day.
When you listen more, your English becomes better.
Better and better.
That's right. Okay, that's all for today.
See you next time.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Thanks for joining. See you in the next video.